I've gotten a lot of questions about how I rescued my dogs. People don't believe the story, so here I am to fully tell it once and for all. I've always loved dogs, and back in November I was this close to adopting one too. But I got cold feet about the husky. My office was closed Christmas through New Year's, so what did I do? I planned a road trip. Okay, I'm driving up to the Grand Canyon in the middle of nowhere, Arizona.
Said you'd be coming back this way again, baby.
You will not believe what I just found in the middle of the road. Come here. Come here. Look at these guys. Hey, look at you. Oh my God. What is your deal? Who are you guys? Come here. Hi. In the middle of the road, two of the cutest little fucking puppies I've ever seen. I mean, what was I supposed to do in that situation?
Alright, look, there's some people want to ride too. Pick them up!
Come on, look at these faces. Pretty sure I'm gonna keep these guys. After I rescued them, we drove straight to Page, where I found an animal hospital. They gave them water, treats, deworming, and their first round of shots. And from there, the Adventure Squad was born, hitting national parks, 3 more states, and eventually getting back to their new home in Los Angeles. Where's your brother? Huh? Right down there. Okay, I gotcha.